Welcome to your energy frequency tuning session for today. What you afraid of? You better claim that territory. You better claim that manifestation. You better claim that goal. You better claim that person. We are humans here having a human experience. In this human experience, we are allowed and even encouraged to dominate the earth. Domination involves laying claims to things, people, places, experiences, yourself. Abundance in the spirit is feeling good, feeling satisfied and whole. Abundance in the material world requires you to lay claims to things. How do we know what's yours if you haven't laid claim to it? You're being called to possess and lay claims to the manifestations and goals and material objects, people, places, experiences that you wish to have in this lifetime. After all, how are they yours if they're not yours? I'm Rishika Bilal, and this has been your energy frequency tuning session for today. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more. And until next time.